Hey guys, what's up? It is day number 23, and today I am going to take some of my colored acrylics, and I want to put them on nails and just have all my color acrylics ready. So like when I'm doing someone's nails and say they want the pink acrylic, but they want to see what it looks like on, I'll have it done on the nail already and I can show them. So that is what I'm going to do today. I don't know if I'm going to get all of these done today or not, but these are all of my colored acrylics. I'll be going over the top of them with the Clear Kiss acrylic powder. You guys seen me use these couple before. I have these Easy Flow glitter acrylic powders, and then I have some luxury nail colors like this pink. I've got a bubblegum sea color. This one is called Sand, and I haven't used a lot of these yet. So yeah, I just want to put them on some nails, like a swatch of it or whatever. I have this pretty, I don't know if it's going to show. This one I'm going to do is remove the shine off the nail a little bit. I did do them a little with, where is it? I had a little buffing block, but here we go. I was using this, but it's kind of cheapy and it wasn't really doing that much. I just want to make sure that the acrylic sticks to it. So I'm just going to remove the shine off of here really quickly. Each nail. I'm not, because I want to do it this way, but it's so time consuming. I'm just going to put them on these. I'm going to start with this, this bubblegum color. And, oh, it's a really pretty pink. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me get it on the nail and see if we can see it a little better. Alright, here's the last one I did in blue. And since these nails were super smooth and not buffed enough, it wasn't sticking as well, kind of sliding off. But as long as the color is where you're able to see it, like this one, it just kept sliding from this area because it was really smooth. So far, this one is my favorite. This one I think was called Snow, I think. It was Snow, or yeah, I think Snow. Or was this one Snow? Oh, it may have been because one of them didn't have a name either. And I like this one, bubblegum. It's just really hard to see. You can see the sparkle. And this one, it looks like a big old void on camera, but IRL, you can't see this much. I can only see with my eyes. I just see a little bit right here and like this much. I can't see all this empty spot, so I can always go over it or whatever. I mean, it's just for show the color, so not that big of a deal. And I did go over the top of them with the Kiss clear acrylic powder also. Let me see, I have a pure pink left and my glitters left to go. Let me get that ready. Alright, so next, moving on to the pure pink. And then after that, I'm going to do the green. Wow, I was not expecting that to be that green. It is called evergreen, but I mean, I thought it was going to come out looking more like this. That's like for real evergreen forest green. But it's actually kind of pretty. Not too bad. I just wasn't expecting that. Okay, so that's it. All I'm going to do for now, that last one was Easy Flow Boogie Nights Midnight Kiss. I don't know why this focusing is so bad, but you can see the pretty sparkle in it. This one is Boogie Nights Splash Riot. It will show. Oh, look at my hand. Gonna have to get that off. Look. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so that's it. These are all the other ones that I swatched. I don't know if you call acrylicing. Are these called swatches as well? I don't know. But yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. See you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit a thumbs up, like, share, comment, all the good stuff. Thank you.